Managing medical records is a major challenge in healthcare. Paper-based records are inefficient, prone to loss, and difficult to manage. Our solution is a blockchain-based healthcare record system built on FHIR standards, ensuring a secure, efficient, and decentralized way to store and access medical data. This system completely eliminates paperwork by digitalizing medical records and providing each patient with a dedicated profile that stores their complete medical history. Doctor can upload reports, track payment progress, genetic disorders, and past medical conditions, and compare data over time for better diagnosis and treatment. To enhance security and privacy, doctor need explicit user permission before uploading records, and patients have full control over accessing, allowing them to grant or revoke permissions via MetaMask wallet signatures. Additionally, we have integrated an AI chatbot that automatically generates medical report summaries, making it easier for doctor and patient to understand key insights, with blockchain ensuring tamper-proof records and instant access to accurate medical history. Our system enhances security and efficiency in healthcare sector. Now Sanidhya will explain the technical part of the project.
Now coming to the technical implementation of what we have implemented here is this. First of all, I will run a local blockchain. So here is a local blockchain Anvil, having the public keys as available this, and the private keys as this, associated private keys. Now first of all, I have to deploy the contract on this blockchain. The code of the contract is provided in the GitHub link. So first of all, I have to broadcast it on also. So it is seen that it is deployed on a particular address. Now I have to just export the address. Now coming to the first thing, that is register doctor. So I have made the queries earlier such that we don't have to waste the time in writing the queries. Here is the transaction of addition of doctor. Coming to the patient, तो यहाँ पर एक डॉक्टर, एक पेशेंट भी आ चुका है. नाउ अब मैं इसको सेल्फ एक्सेस भी दे रहा हूँ, बिकॉज वी हैव रिटन द लॉजिक इन दैट वे. नाउ द डॉक्टर विल रिक्वेस्ट द एक्सेस. फ्रॉम द पेशेंट कि भाई मेरे को तुम्हारे लैब रिपोर्ट्स का एक्सेस चाहिए. सो यहाँ से वो पेशेंट के इंटरफेस पे रिक्वेस्ट भेजेगा. फ्रॉम वेयर मेटामास्क पे उसका एक रिक्वेस्ट आएगा डेट इज़ मतलब पेशेंट वाला, एंड फ्रॉम हियर ही कैन अप्रूव दैट. सो लेट्स अप्रूव द रिक्वेस्ट दैट वी हैव मेड अर्लियर. सो द रिक्वेस्ट इज अप्रूव्ड. You can see also the logs in the blockchain itself. Now coming to the add medical journey, that is the most important part. So I have added the flu. Now every journey having the many prescription reports, so I have added some prescription reports, and there are many lab reports associated with the particular prescription report, so I am implementing that also. Yeah. Now coming to the query, now user or patient can query the courses, but doctor have access that I have given earlier, so they can access. So I am accessing them from the doctor's address. So you can see here is the array of the course. Now coming to the query of prescription, we can call the particular prescription according to the course ID, and that also is given according to the access modifiers. Now there are many lab reports associated with the particular prescription, so we can also see from there also. So here is an array of all the reports that is associated with that particular prescription. Now coming to the end, the doctor has done with the query and the reading part of that particular. Now I can revoke his access so that he may not access in future. Now he is permanently revoked, so you doctor can never access the patient further. Now my friend Sarthak will explain the web technology.
Okay, Sarthak here. So let's move on to the front end UI and other aspects of the project. First we have our landing page. This is our landing page with footer and everything. First let's refer the text document and walk you through what actually happened. So let apply contact is the starting step, the register doctor page. Okay, let's say I want to register as a doctor. There is a login as doctor option, and then there is a sign up here option. Okay, the doctor can sign up with his registration number, which would be linked according to his MBBS number, which is provided during the graduation. We will be verifying this using the DigiLocker APIs and other APIs provided by the government, which are currently paid, but in the future we can definitely integrate them. So let's say our doctor is already created. Okay, we already have our accounts. First we have this doctor ID with Sadhya. We sign in as a doctor. Okay, alright, so we get our patient list here. The doctor can search patients here. We have mapped the ID 1 with this dummy account we have created, which is John Doe. His other number is this, and we can definitely request the report access from him. So after requesting the access, the user that will be prompted with the necessary details of the doctor and the time the access was asked for. After the user gives the access, the doctor can show the doctor can see the patient here. तो अब हम इसके पेशेंट की डिटेल्स में जाएं, तो हमें पेशेंट की डिटेल्स में मेडिकल रिपोर्ट भी मिलेगा. यहाँ पे मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स में जितने भी डिजीज पेशेंट गया है तो उसकी इन्फो रहेगी, जिससे डॉक्टर अपडेट कर सकता है. तो जैसे मान लेते हैं इन्फ्लुएंजा, हमें इन्फ्लुएंजा चेक करना है, तो हम देखिए यहाँ पे इसकी कंडीशन डिटेल्स आएगी जो ज़्यादा डिटेल रहेगी, और सिर्फ डॉक्टर एडिट कर सकता है. ठीक है, और फिर यहाँ पे डॉक्टर अकॉर्डिंगली टाइमलाइन जैसे मैंने आज ऐसे कोई कंडीशन डायग्नोस किया, तो मैं यहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंगली उसे इनपुट कर दूँगा. और डॉक्यूमेंट्स में ऑब्वियसली मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स वेरीफाई करके यहाँ पे अपलोड कर सकता हूँ, जो हमारे ब्लॉकचेन में सेव हो जाएगा. ठीक है, मेन पार्ट हमारा यही रहेगा डॉक्टर के साइड से. लॉग आउट कर लिया. अब एज अ पेशेंट, ठीक है, एज अ पेशेंट हमारा कुछ यूजर मिलते हैं, जैसे सार्थक है और पासवर्ड इज दिस. ओके, वी साइन. सो हमारे पेशेंट डैशबोर्ड में हमें सबसे पहले जो भी हमारी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट है जो डॉक्टर्स को दिख रही थी, सेम वही चीज़ दिखेगी जिसमें मेडिकल डिटेल्स है. अब से व्यू डिटेल में जाएंगे, वही सेम फॉर्मेट है, बस यहाँ पे हमारा यूज़र से चेंज नहीं कर पाएगा क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सेंसिटिव चीज़ है, तो हमें डॉक्टर्स का अप्रूवल ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ताकि यूज़र अपने टैम्परिंग ना कर सकते. अब यहाँ पे जो व्यू डॉक्टर्स वाला सेक्शन है, यहाँ पे हमें दिखेगा कि कौन से डॉक्टर्स के पास हमारे मेडिकल रिपोर्ट का एक्सेस है, और एक्सेस रिक्वेस्ट में कौन से डॉक्टर्स हमें एक्सेस रिक्वेस्ट मांग रहे हैं. यहाँ से हम एक्सेस वगैरह ले सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द सिनॉप्सिस ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. सो आई थिंक आई हैव कवर्ड ऑल द बेसिस वेयर वी कैन रजिस्टर द पेशेंट, we can approve the self access of the patient, which is covered in the request access section of the patient dashboard. There is the approved doctor access as well, medical journey, prescription and reports. These are related to the uploading of documents, and revoke access, that the patient can revoke the access of the doctor. Thank you.